Hello, and welcome to text messaging tutorials. Today we're going to see how to enable texting to your landline number. Enabling texting on your landline number or your business's toll-free number does not affect your voice service. The voice service will still remain with your current provider. Let's get started. Log onto the dashboard using your credentials. Scroll down and click on Text Numbers. Select Enable Text Landline from the list. Click on Add Landline Number. Enter your landline number, service provider, account number, and the account owner. Click on Save and Continue. The next step is to fill in the LOA form. To get started, click on the Download LOA form link. Once you have the file, make sure you fill out all the information. Now, let's upload the signed and completed LOA form and the recent phone bill. Click Save. As you can see, the request has been submitted. Thanks for watching.